The question is, write the IUPAC name of the following compound. The solution is, now in order to answer this question, we must first determine the number of carbon atoms, and we get 5 number of carbon atoms. This is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom, this is the third carbon atom, the fourth carbon atom, and the fifth carbon atom. Now we also identify the functional groups, that is OH, that is the alcohol, and C double bond O. Now, according to the priority of these functional groups, we know that C double bond O has more priority than OH minus. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the following compound will be 3-hydroxy 4-methyl pentanoic acid, giving us the solution as option C.